Hello friends, welcome to Bhavesh ki Pathshala. Imagine you are a businessman and you have an idea about your products, you have an idea about of your services and you want to create a design of websites, you want to design a mobile applications or you want to design a brochures. So how can you do that? Even if you are a designer or a developer, you don't have much time to think about various creative ideas and various creative directions. So, what if AI could design everything for you by just talking? Yes, am I right? AI could design everything for you by just typing, by just giving the simple prompt. Okay, so what we have a unlimited idea in our heads, but it is not executed. Why? Because we have a limited times, because we have a limited skills. So we think that the design is very hard. So to overcome this kind of problems, Entropic Lab has introduced a Claude Design tools for us. In that we have to describe and it will create a beautiful design for us, and no design skill is needed, right? No design skill is needed to create a design using Claude Design. So let's start. It will create, you can create anything. You can create a design, you can create a prototype, you can create a slides, you can create a landing pages, everything you can create using Claude Designs. At the end of this video, I will show you a live demonstration on mutual fund distributor website development, how the Claude Design is developing by giving a simple prompt, and from the prompt it is asking the relevant questions and understand my business visions, and based on that it is created a beautiful websites. So at the end I will show you the live demonstration, the prompt that I have given and the design the Claude designer has developed. Okay, so in this Claude Design are using default Claude Opus 4.7 models, which is a very powerful AI model right now. It has a good capability compared to previous Opus 4.6. If you are talking about the agent coding for the software developing, they have expanded the capabilities. They have good capability to understand the instruction that user are giving. It have a good capability to understand the visions. If we are uploading the images, if we are uploading the PDF, it can extract the insightful information and give to the models and creates a beautiful designs. So after creating the designs, you can also further enhance your design by redefining the conversation, by providing some extra prompts. Also, they have provided a good interface for the editing. You can directly edit for the specific elements. You can also export this design into various formats in the form of PDF, in the form of PPTs, in the form of HTML, right? So these are the exports are the available. So what you have to do, you have to start importing in the form of text, in the form of documents you are uploading, in the form of code you have existing code, you can also upload that code, or if you have a websites you can also give the websites. So based on the input it will design, the Claude Design will design using the Opus 4.7 models and it will convert it a beautiful design. Also you can export into various format, PDF, HTML, PPT and so on and so forth. So it's a idea to code whole ecosystem. For example, I will give you the different ideas to the Claude Design. It will create a beautiful design and the beautiful design are the goes to the Claude Code to create a whole products. So this is the whole ecosystem. It's a magic for developers, right? You can also work collaboratively in the Claude Designs. You can share your designs to your managers. You can share your design to your colleagues. Your colleagues can also work collaboratively with each other. Okay, so this tool is for everyone. If you are a developer, you can build faster. You are a designer, you can explore more possibilities. If you are founders, you can convert your ideas into reality. You are a marketer or graphic designers, you can launch a different campaigns. Okay, so it is not just design, it is the future of creations. So in this video, let me show you the live demonstration that I am talking about. So this is a Claude interface where I have given the prompt, and based on the prompt it is generate the designs. So let me explain you the prompt. Create a design for website for mutual fund distributor, which includes different sections like what is mutual fund, different high performing fund with comparison with others, types of mutual fund like small cap, mid cap, multi cap and large cap. Start your wealth development journey by joining us, and you can fulfill your goal with small SIPs. So this is a simple prompt I have given to Claude Designs. So the further action done by the Claude, it tells that I will design an original website for mutual fund distributor. Let me first ask a few questions to ensure the designs are matches with your visions. So in this case, Claude will asking certain questions to understand our business visions. So they have prepared certain questions and I have given the answers. So they have asked about the brand name, HB Patel Financial Services. They want to understand the target audience, target regions, and they also want to what are the sections I can provide in the website developments. So there are different kind of sections I have given. What are the tones I have provided, what are the extra information I have provided. So based on the answers that I have provided and based on my prompt, it will generate the designs on the right hand side. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete this whole designs, and it's using the Opus 4.7 model that I am talking about previously. So this is the whole websites they have created, and other features that I have talked about, that you can directly edit from the specific elements. You can also export all the designs in the different formats like PDF, PPT and HTML, and also you can directly assign these designs to the Claude code for the actual product development. So this is what it is designed. Now let me open in the full tab, so you can see the full design of the web page from the it is created from the simple prompt. So this is the website. Let me scroll. So this is the basic information about what is mutual fund related to the information, right? So this is what they have designed. What are the different categories, large cap, multi cap, mid cap, small caps. What are the, it's a provide also SIP calculators. So based on the amount, based on the years and based on the returns, it will change the graphs and figures. Although these figures, all the figures are dummy, but you can see the designs point of view. Okay, so also I have provided the list of the fund in a tables. So this they have recommended certain funds. Also they have created benchmark comparisons. So this is a very nice designs they have developed from the simple prompt. Also I have tell about the goals kind of things. So they have created some goals like family, home, children education and retirement planning. So based on the target corpus, it is divided into this number of SIP per month and number of years. So this kind of goal based SIPs they have suggested. Also certain existing customers testimonial are also listed over here, and FAQs for further question answers they have provided. Tomorrow's corpus began with today's SIP. So if anyone wants to start a journey with a small minimum amount of SIPs, so they can also do that, and certain disclaimer. So this is the design the Claude designer have developed from a simple prompt, right? So it's not just design, this is the future of creations. So I hope you are learning something from this video, and if you learn this something, you can like this video, or you can also subscribe this channel for the future videos. Also I will keep all the links related to the Claude design in the description box, so you can also visit that websites. Thank you so